Hi guys, I have a small Walmart haul. Mama and I went in there for a few items. We were out like super duper late. It's like 11 o'clock. we just went. I had to go to Dick's and get the boys, JJ, some football socks because I thought he had some and he didn't get any when they were taking up money to get some. So football socks, and Josiah some bigger shorts for soccer. So we're going to be busy Saturday with their games all day. So it's probably going to be like that for the next couple of weeks. Anyway, we also went to Marshall's too, but I'll show that in a separate haul and it'll be really short. So I'm going to add probably an Aldi haul to this, and it's just a couple of things. Okay, so I told JJ to go ahead and pick him up some Gatorade for him and Saya, and they can put it in the refrigerator or whatever so they can have it after the game. He'll take water too. I picked up the cherry Coke in the small can because I never finish the whole can, I always waste it. And then I picked up some hamburger buns and some hot dog buns, the thick bacon slice, and it's been a minute since I picked it up from Walmart, and I had to look in an old video exactly what was I picking up from the grocery pickup. Sometimes they have different things. I don't know if they were out of it, but sometimes when you're ordering it, they have different options, which is crazy. I picked up some hot dogs, so maybe one day we'll have hot dogs with chili and slaw. I didn't even pick up any slaw. Oh, I do got slaw in there for, I picked it up for something else, but I couldn't never find the egg rolls, so I'll probably use that. So maybe we'll have that tomorrow. Some sharp cheddar cheese, sliced cheese. I picked up a smaller one. I don't know what I used to pick up from Aldi, but we don't go through this really fast because we don't eat a lot of sandwiches a lot. Jason, if he eats a sandwich, he has peanut butter and jelly. JJ doesn't care for cheese, and Trail's not here. So those were the main two that ate it. I did too, but I don't eat as many sandwiches anymore, like deli sandwiches, though I miss that. But anyway, you guys know if you've been following me long enough. Picked up some plums, some pears, some strawberries. So I said he wanted some strawberries, so I'm trying to pick up stuff that I know that he likes because he's so picky. And then I picked up some Go-Gurt, some crispy battered Gordon's fish fillets. Aldi has like a brand of this too, so I was hesitant because this is like $5, $4 and some change. But my mom, when we was growing up for like a quick dinner, she would like put these in the oven. She said she didn't add cheese, but I remember her adding cheese. So it's like you're having your own fish fillet sandwiches with some bread and some tartar sauce. But my boys don't care for tartar sauce. I don't even think Cottrell does. And I'm like, I love tartar sauce. Jason doesn't either. I'm the only one. Some chicken nuggets. I got a great big bag. And then some zebra cake rolls. I was looking for my bagels, and they're side by side. So Josiah wanted these, and of course JJ did too, so he got those. The spicy hot Roger Wood sausage, the blueberry waffles, 24 pack, some orange juice, and some chocolate milk. And then Mama and I, we've been in Walmart at least 3 times and have been eyeing this. So this is the Better Homes and Garden bed bath set, sorry. The floral blooms, and it looks like this. It's really like a pale pink, and let me just show you because maybe it'll come up better. Pale pink. The rug is like a pale pink. You get a short rug or a small rug and a larger rug, and then you get, they kill me counting all these pieces, and then you get these shower hooks. So it looks like a little rustic wood like. Let's see, I'll turn down my lighting so you guys can see the pattern, but it's like a really pale blush pink, and then it has, I think, a little sage green in there, and then like a really light powder, not powder, but baby blue. So really cute. That's what it looks like. And I try not to get too many feminine colors. Jason's really not picky. He really could care less. But I figure he'd be fine with this, and I keep the blue rugs that I already have in there, and he'll be fine with this. So we really have a shower door, but sometimes you want something different, and I don't really like or I done grew out of what I bought from Big Lots. So I'm going to add the Aldi haul to this, guys. Hello guys, and thanks so much for coming back to my channel today and watching. Thank you for always liking, commenting, and subscribing to my channel. Today I'm going to add this to a Walmart haul, I believe. Yeah, Walmart haul. This is an Aldi haul, just a few things for this week. I put it off again. Today is Tuesday. So in the background you hear, I'm browning the ground beef. We're having Taco Tuesday, I guess. So I asked JJ what did he want, and he said tacos. So he's back into school. He tracks out. He has like 3 weeks off, and then he goes back to school. I don't know for how many weeks, and then he does that. But this is the last year of year-round school, and I know yesterday he was exhausted, poor thing, because he's been staying up late playing that game, and then he had to get back into the routine, and then he has football practice, and then his games on the weekend. So let's get started with this. That's why I asked him what he wanted, because he just looked so pitiful yesterday. Okay, so I picked up the lemonade, the premium lemonade, some orange juice, the raspberry lemonade, and the orange juice I think is $1.99 and the lemonades are $1.49. Mama told me about these bar mop towels, and you get 6 in a pack. And they're really dish towels. And when I saw they were white, I wanted some. And they were $3.99. They also have a 5-pack of the flour sack towels, but I wasn't sure if I was going to need those or not, or use those, because I kind of like them to feel. I got these from Walmart a long time ago. Feel like this. So yeah, I left them there, even though they were $3.99. Mama did. She went on Sunday, I believe, to Aldi, and she gave me 2 of these. And I was like, Mama, you sure? So I wanted to, hoping that they still had some more, because this way with these, I can use bleach with them. I don't worry about them deteriorating or whatever really fast. Because I do like the ones from Dollar Tree, but these are better quality, and I don't have to worry about them changing colors and stuff. I picked up some lettuce, some cabbage, some pork sausage maple flavor. They have original too. Some light sour cream. Some Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. I see now that Aldi has their own barbecue sauce. I haven't tried it, I don't think. Have I? I know I have some in there, and they're 99 cents. But it's 3 different flavors, and I want to try them. But I was contemplating if I should get to make these crock pot, what are they, pork ribs. But I picked up pork chop this week, and I didn't want to have 2 things of pork far as dinner. So I said I'll try that again. I got that recipe from Six Sisters long time ago, and it's a really good recipe, but I think they make their own barbecue sauce. But anyway, I said I'll go ahead and keep this in my buggy, because they can use barbecue sauce on the chicken nuggets that I picked up from Walmart. I picked up another taco seasoning mix, but I have a lot of them from, I think, from Trail's graduation party, so I still have a lot of those. Some steamed broccoli florets. I picked up 2 bags of those. The taco style shredded cheese. Some sour cream and onion chips, nacho chips, and the cheddar sour cream. I said I won't pick it up no chips, but JJ or Saya may want some. But it's so tempting to grab chips, guys, especially when you want to snack. I picked up some corn on the cob, some toaster tarts. These are like Pop-Tarts, and Saya saw them. They were on his eye level, and he was getting ready to pick up the name brand Pop-Tarts, and I was like, let's get these. And so usually when he gravitates towards something, I try to get it, because he's such a picky eater, and learning what he really likes. So I picked up the frosted brown sugar and cinnamon. These were $1.09, and usually I believe they are $2 and something. I don't think they've ever been $3, but $2 and something. That's not bad. $1.09 for 12 pastries. So I told him to go ahead and get 2, the frosted strawberry. And so I already picked it up, and he come throwing it in my buggy. And I was like, what is that you throw in my buggy? Because he does that all the time. He'll pick up something, throw it in there, and I don't know till I get to the checkout, or sometimes until I got home if it's Walmart or something. Sweet and salty nut cashew. I picked up 2 of these, just so I likes those. Some more of the Kerrygold butter, pure Irish. I really need to get my Costco membership back, so I don't have to keep buying that individual. Some sharp cheddar cheese. I remembered to get my pepper grinder. I love black peppercorn, black pepper grinder. I love that. And I went when it was almost like 7 o'clock, so they were out of a lot of meats and some produce and stuff, and they were also out of salsa. So I got the organic, which this is good, the thick and chunky salsa. They don't have the hot in the regular. Yeah, in the regular. They don't have the medium and the mild. So I got this. And then I picked up some peanut butter cookies. Just I also saw this, and I was like, go ahead and get it because I know your dad, and I like those too. And JJ really loves these, the caramel coconut fudge cookies. I picked up some sweet potatoes, so we have like a baked sweet potato with whatever I make for the rest of the week. And I'll show the meal plan at the end. And then some goldfish baked cheddar. Josiah loves these. 2 things of the 12 or the dozen eggs. And then I picked up 2 of the flour tortillas for taco night. 2 of the honey wheat. Josiah's been eating that really well, not really complaining or saying what's, you know, picky, because it's not the white bread sometimes. So I said I'm going to keep at that with the honey bread so he can not get accustomed to the white bread. I also picked up some of the assorted pork chops, and again I was going to pick up those boneless pork ribs, but I put them back. Really the price is what got me, and then I don't have to buy as much now because Trail is off to school. I actually picked up 2 of the 80/20. I don't know if I said that or not. And then the creamy peanut butter delight. They actually like the honey roasted, but Aldi doesn't have. Every once in a while they will. But I picked up the big thing. This is like $2.49. They go through jelly and peanut butter like crazy. And then I picked up a pepperoni pizza. Josiah likes pizza. Sometimes he can get a little picky with it, but I realize now that he likes just the pepperoni and not all the stuff on it because he'll pick it off. So I got 1 for him. Of course he's not going to eat the whole thing. And then the combo pizza, this is just the, and I do like the ones in the box. I used to get those a lot, but I get these because they go through them so fast and they don't mind them. This is this sausage? This is sausage and pepperoni, and this is the 4 meat. So I got 4 this time because I know Jason's off and my hubby can kill one of these by himself. That's it, guys, from Aldi. Let me show you the meal plan. Okay, guys, sorry about the TV. Saya's watching Sesame Street, but I have October the 7th, 1st through the 7th, and so today is Tuesday. So we had tacos and baked pork chops with sweet potatoes tomorrow, and I'm gonna add broccoli to that. I hope you guys can read that because I didn't write too well. Meatballs, I'm either gonna do like skillet meatballs or either some subs and tossed salad, and then on Friday pizza night, Saturday not sure, and then skip back all the way up to Sunday, baked chicken and probably cabbage. And I'm trying to think, what else did I make? Did I buy or have? But probably add a starch to that, so probably rice, I'm sure. And that's it for the week of October the 1st through the 7th. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching as always, guys. Bye bye.